So lightning and switching over voltages, and that lightning phenomena is one of the main concept. Okay, so this the lightning phenomena is because of charges formed in cloud. Okay, so on top of the cloud there are the positive charges in middle and negative charges and the bottom. The positive charges are formed like this. Okay, so according to the different type of theories, Simpson theory, Wilson theory. So already these theories are explained about this concept. Okay, so based on the theories, these charges are formed like this in the clouds. So positive charges on the upper side and the middle negative charges and the bottom small positive charges are formed. So the lightning phenomena takes place in cloud to cloud and in inside of the cloud and also one cloud to another cloud. Okay, the lightning phenomena takes place. So in the cloud or inside the cloud, otherwise one cloud to another cloud and cloud to air also. Okay, cloud to cloud. So one cloud to another cloud, there is a lightning phenomena takes place. Okay, so positive charges and negative charges. In between, there is a huge potential difference between these two because of there is a so lightning phenomena takes place. So air breakdown takes place in between these two. That's why the lightning phenomena takes place. And also within the cloud also this charge lightning phenomena also takes place within the cloud, positive and negative. There is a huge potential difference between inside of the cloud. At that case, there is a possibility of lightning phenomena. Okay, and also the cloud to air. Okay, if any one of the cloud is so not near, but the cloud is not near. At that case, the positive charges are discharging through the air. Okay, just like at the Van de Graaff generator. If the positive charges are more on the sphere, so what happened? The positive charges are discharging into the air. No, same like that here also. The positive charges are so discharging into the air like this manner. So this lightning phenomena takes place inside the cloud and one cloud to another cloud and cloud to air. Okay. So within the cloud is also the takes place with lightning phenomena takes place within the cloud and cloud to air. Okay, and cloud to cloud. So one cloud to another and cloud to ground. So like this, the charge lightning phenomena takes place from cloud to ground. So like this. This concept is explained by initiation of the step ladder. So these are the different type of concept. You can easily understand how the lightning phenomena takes place. Initiation of the step ladder. So first, what is step ladder means? Step leaders develop within the thunderstorm clouds. Step leaders develops within the thunderstorm clouds when charge differences between the main region of negative charge in the middle of the thunderstorm and a small region of the positive charge near the base storm become large. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the cloud. So on the upper side, there is the positive charges, and bottom side, there is a positive charges. In between, negative charges are there. But so the step leader develop within the thunderstorm cloud when charge difference between the main region of negative charge in the middle of the thunderstorm and a small region of the positive charge near the base of the storm. Okay, so your negative region and your positive region. So in between, there is a charge difference between these two. Okay, so because of that, the step leader starts to develop when a charge differences in the cloud becomes too large. So step leader starts develop when a charge difference between the differences in the cloud becomes too large. Okay, so charge difference between the clouds is becomes too large. At that case, these are the different types of lightning phenomena. So that is called step leaders or takes place in between cloud to cloud when the charge difference between the two clouds are very high. Okay, and also charge difference between the ground and the cloud also, if it is high, charge difference between the cloud and ground is high, the step leaders takes place. Okay, Step leader starts develop when charge difference in the cloud becomes too large. Okay. When this happens, the insulating capacity of the air breaks down and the negative charge starts moving downwards. It's clear. So when the potential differences increases between the cloud and the charge ground, okay, if the potential difference is very high, the potential difference between these two very high, or the potential difference between the negative charges and this base of the ground is very high. So at that case, the air breaks down and it will be acting as a conductor. Okay, air breaks down and it will be acting as a conductor, and that's why the negative charges are moving towards the ground. Understand? The negative when this happen means the insulating capacity of the air breaks down and the negative charges starts moving downwards. So like this. So like this manner. So they are the negative charges in the cloud and these are the positive charges. Okay. If the potential difference between these two, okay, negative charges and positive charges of the ground is more, in that case, so what will happen? There is a so air breakdown. So air breaks down and then the negative charges are moving towards the ground like this manner. And the positive charges are moving like this. So negative charges are moving like this. Understood? When this happens, the insulating capacity of the air breaks down and the negative charges starts moving downwards. So like this. Negative charges are moving, starts moving downwards like that. But here more number of negative charges are there, but here small number of positive charges. Okay, this is not sufficient to pass the negative electrons to the ground. So this one path is not required. Okay, this only one path is not sufficient to move the negative charges to the ground. Okay, so that's why typically the small amount of positive charge at the base of the cloud near the developing channel is not sufficient. Understood? The typically the small amount of the positive charge at the base of the cloud near the developing channel is not sufficient to satisfy the negative charge that has accumulated along the conductive channel aloft. Consequently, the negative charges channel emerges from the bottom of the cloud and continues to move towards the ground. Understood? So the negative charges here, more amount of negative charges are there in the cloud, but the positive charges are very less. So this path is not sufficient to cause flow the negative charges into the ground. That's why, so that's taking another path to okay across this path. So dividing just like a branches. Okay, starting branches, developing a branches. They are moving beside of this main main charge line. Okay, so like this the charges are moving into the cloud to ground. So like a stepped manner. Okay, so like this, the positive and the negative charges are moving toward the ground in a stepped manner. So that's why it's called step ladder. It's clear. So it is worth nothing that the tip of the step ladder does not sense the actual charges on the ground as it emerges from the cloud. Okay, rather as it moves out of the cloud, the step ladder only senses the charges within the about 50 meters of the leader's tip. Okay, so the step leader only senses the charges within the about 50 meters of the leader tip. Understood? As a result, in step ladder and surges ahead 50 meters segments based solely on the charges in the immediate surrounding of the tip. So simple concept, the step ladder. Each surges of the leader produces a small flashlight which can be detected by the high-speed cameras. So very difficult to detect this. This is because of very within the microseconds. This this process takes place within the microseconds or picoseconds. Okay, so as a result, the path of the leader from the cloud to ground and can be very jagged and direct. So sequentially, so by reading yourself, you can easily understand this concept. So I will show you a different animation. You can easily understand the concept. Okay. First, this is called positive charges and negative charges, and this base of the. So, if the potential difference between these two are very high, the air will breaks down, and the positive charge, negative charges are moving towards the ground like this manner. the negative charges are moving towards the ground. So like this matter. So this only path is not sufficient to discharge the negative charges into the ground. Okay, this path is not sufficient to negative. Okay, to discharge into the ground. That's why it's take a steps. So like this manner, steps manner. Okay, so to detect this, to observe this, so step leader is required high speed cameras. So this takes place within the microseconds or picoseconds, very less time. Okay, this lightning phenomena or discharging takes place in the cloud, between the cloud and ground. Okay, on the slow motion, so it is will be displaced like this manner. Step leader, slow motion. Okay, so this is about step leader concept in video. So this is the concept regarding the dot leader. Visible or not this image, Mahesh?
Visible, sir.
Okay, this is the concept under dot leader concept. So the dot leader lightning flash. So try to consider here. So lightning flash, how the lightning flash takes place. First here, so the step leaders takes place. So like this manner, steps are formed. These charges are distributed in like a stepped manner and cloud to ground. After that, so again, try to consider here. First, this lightning flash takes place like this manner. So like a step ladder. After that, so again, this path is takes place. Again, it's like this. 2 or 3 return strokes are takes place in between cloud and ground. This is called dot leader. Okay. Step leader first initially the step leader takes place. After that, dot leader takes place. But the dot leader is not having branches. So it's just follow the step leader. Okay. So like this. So this is the concept as dot leader and step leader. Clear.